The legal counsel representing Nnamdi Kanu has bemoaned the disobedience of court order concerning visitations to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by his lawyers. The legal team, led by Aloy Ejimako, Esquire, while speaking to journalists, says the Federal High Court in Abuja has issued a judicial process against the Director General of State Security Services, Mr. Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi, to show cause why he should not be committed to prison. Aloy highlighted that on the 23rd of October, Ajayi, acting on instructions with the aid of armed officers of the DSS, barricaded Mazi Kanu's lawyers, Aloy Ejimako and Mandela Umeborogo, from having access to Mazi Kanu on a routine visitation aimed at discussing his case with him and ascertaining his general well-being.
We also filed a counter process in response, stating to the court that if in fact the orders issued by Justice Binta Nyako are now null and void, then that must include, as a matter of logic, it must include the very order she issued, which was the first one that led to the remand and detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So if the government is now arguing that the order of visitation is no longer valid by virtue of that recusal, then the order of detention shall also not be valid. This is our argument. And the most important one, and which is overriding, is our client's right to fair trial. You cannot have fair trial in the absence of lawyers having access to the defendant to prepare him for trial. So this notice that was issued yesterday has become the climax of this serial contempt of orders of court by the DSS.
While Nemeka Ejiofor accused the DSS of depriving Nnamdi Kanu access to clothes, writing materials, medical visitors, and his lawyers, Mandela Umeborogo said the State Secretive Service is in violation of court order.
Disobey the order to have us have writing materials when talking to our client. They disobey the order to give us a clean room to discuss with our clients and prepare him for the defense. So this organization called the State Security Service is worse than the police, the secret police of Idi Amin of Uganda, and worse than the secret police of Hitler. This is a democratic society, for goodness sake. Nigeria is an independent democratic nation, but the DSS have made it an autocratic and banana republic organization.
These people are in total violation of court order. If they say that the order the court has met based on the recusal has elapsed or terminated, it means that they have to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because the same order that is what is keeping him in their detention. It means that that order also terminated.
The legal team reiterated their stance in ensuring that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be subjected to a trial that is manifestly against the tenets of the Constitution and statutes that guarantee every defendant an unhindered access to lawyers of his choice, as if allowed will not amount to a grave miscarriage of justice that will forever live in infamy.